Well, hello everyone. Welcome to new viewers and welcome back to previous viewers. Thank you very much for tuning in. Let's get started with this 1971 Porsche 359 kit car listed for $17,950 US in Center Valley, Pennsylvania. It's been driven 585 miles, has a manual transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description, classic motor carriages Porsche 359 kit car on a Volkswagen Pan, 1600 dual port motor with twin carbs, 4-speed transmission. Everything works like it should. And up next, we have this 1925 Ford T-Bucket Roadster, listed for $12,000 US in Minden, Nevada. It is an automatic transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description, 1925 Ford Roadster kit, cammed 350 Chevy motor with a TH350 automatic, 4-wheel Willwood disc brakes, runs great, everything works, $12,000 or best offer, or possible trade for another car, something cool, no motorcycles or boats. Alright, we've had a few of these popping up lately. Here we have a 1973 Laser 917, listed for $49,999 Canadian in Saint-Remy, Quebec. It's been driven 22,000 kilometers and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, now this is translated from French, 1973 Laser 917, Porsche 2-liter engine from a 914, manual 4-speed in good condition, dual carburetor, everything works, $49,999 firm. Alright, here we have a 1926 Pro Street T kit car listed for $25,000 US in Mechanicville, New York. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, Pro Street T kit car, 1926 Roadster body, 1928 Model A fenders, 1932 grill shell, small block Chevy, 615 horsepower, 350 turbo trans. All body lines have been shaved for a sleek look. Okay, here's one submitted by viewer Billy. Thank you very much for sending this in, Billy. If you see a vehicle that you think might fit one of my videos, please send a link to the ad to mgguivintagevehicles@gmail.com. There is a link to that email address in the details below the video. Okay, here we have a 1934 VR6 sports sedan, listed for $6,000 US in Louisville, Kentucky. It has a manual transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description, 1934 British kit car with a 1969 VW engine and frame. It has a beautiful body and starts right up. The engine is great. The 4-speed takes some practice, but it is a fun car to ride. And here we have a 1962 Lotus Super 7 kit car listed for $23,000 US in Dallas Center, Indiana. It's been driven 2,375 miles, has a manual transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description, this is a beautiful Brunton Lotus 7 kit car, pictured with street roll bar cages for easy entry and exit of the interior, additional bolt-in bars also included for off-road competition, 4-wheel disc brakes, 5-speed transmission, 2.4 Ecotec with a Hahn turbo kit, and custom exhaust. Alright, I think this one's my pick of the litter for the day. A 1965 Shelby Daytona Coupe, listed for $75,000 US in Garland, Texas. It's been driven 5,000 miles, has a manual transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description, 2012 build by B&B Manufacturing, Carroll Shelby signed dash, 427 stroker Cobra motor, MSD ignition, 5-speed Borg Warner, limited slip 9-inch Ford rear, full cage, race harnesses, open to trades, no boats or bikes. Okay, we've got another Ford Roadster here. This is a 1927 Ford Roadster kit car listed for $15,500 US in South Beloit, Illinois. I hope I'm pronouncing that properly. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description, very fun car, runs amazing, trophy winner at car shows. It's a 27 Ford Roadster 2-seater kit car with a 3.8 V6 Chevy Monte Carlo engine. It's a turnkey, ready-to-go car. And here we have a Dune buggy, a 1966 Dune buggy to be exact, listed for $8,500 US in Independence, Missouri. It's been driven 68,000 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1966 Volkswagen Beetle fiberglass Dune buggy, rebuilt 1766 engine and 4-speed transmission, new dual carbs, 4-wheel disc brakes. And bringing up the rear, we have this 2004 Nissan 350Z with a wide-body kit, listed for $8,000 US in Missoula, Montana. It's been driven 129,000 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, up for sale at trade is my 2004 wide-body 350Z, welded-in roll bar, Rocket Bunny wide-body kit, cold air intake, ISR catless exhaust, 6-speed manual, runs great, no issues. Would possibly trade for the right truck, $8,000 or best offer, clean title. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.